Follow me on these social media networks: Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Beast Mode Marketing, Ty Prince. The Detailing Beast magazine, written by Ty Prince. I'm going to give you the opportunity to become one of the greatest detailers your city has ever seen. You will be a powerhouse, a force to be reckoned with, a local celebrity in your field. You will have clients lining up from all across the city, state, and perhaps even the world. Order your page, quarter page, or half page now. Prince, Beast Mode Marketing. Click the link below to learn more or call 919-972-8063 to learn more about how you can get in our auto detailing magazine and conquer the world. Prince, Beast Mode Marketing. Hey, how's it going? This is Prince, Beast Mode Marketing, Grind Time TV, where we talk about different strategies on how to get you more money with your mobile auto detailing business. All right, today we want to talk about how to distribute your auto detailing magazine once you get the package. All right, we're going to talk about where are your clients, or I like to substitute client for money. Where is your money at? Right? We're going to talk about how to make yourself a local celebrity. We're going to talk about hand delivery versus mail outs. We're going to talk about what is in the magazine, and we're going to talk about the top 24 places to distribute your magazine. This is Prince, Beast Mode Marketing. Okay, number one, what is it that your client wants? All right, they want zero headache is what they want. They want a good deal with zero headache. All right, so if you're able to provide that, the money should be already yours. All right. Hand delivery versus mail out. This is what I do. Once I put the magazine inside of the place where I put it at, once I get a client from that place, that particular office will become a permanent place where I send my magazine to. I just mail it out. It's just that simple. All right. Now for the people, or for the detailers, or for the people who want to just read the magazine, you just want to order one to read it, cool, just order one. Link is below, and I'll send it out to you. Okay. But if you want to get inside of the magazine, because I'm getting ahead of myself. Give me a second. All right. This is how you're going to become a local celebrity. All right, through the magazine. I'm gonna tell you, I got 25, 26 places on here, but in reality, it's probably more than that. But on this YouTube channel, I'm only giving 10. If you want the full video comes with the magazine package. All right, so I'll break down the magazine package later on as we go forward. All right, now, one of the places that you want to put your magazine at, all right, so let me tell you, with okay, let's say this. I sell quarter pages, full page, front page, and half a page. All right, so whichever one you get really doesn't matter. All right, then I distribute it out to whoever have them. So let's say you bought a quarter page. All right, I'm going to send you 100 magazines. Boom. All right. This is the place where you need to put them at. All right. This is where you need to take them to so that you can make your money back, your ROI. Right. So quarter pages, let's say for an example, let's say a quarter page only costs $100. All right. Now it's going to be in 100 different places. All right. Really, it's going to be in more places than that because you're not the only one that's distributing this magazine. All right. So I have other detailers. I have detailers in. I have not detailers. I have. I'm looking for a good word. I have partners. I have detailing partners in Hawaii. I have detailing partners in Ohio. I have detailing partners in California, San Francisco, Ohio. Did I say Ohio? Ohio, South Carolina, New York, Manhattan, Tennessee, Barbados. Yo, I got clientele all over. Not clientele. I got partners all over the place. All right. So those who get inside of the book, boom. Let's say I got 12 of them. That's 12 different places. That's 1,200 copies of you all over the place. All right. But for you to get to work right there where you are, right, then you have to be able to put it out in certain places. And one of the places that I put it out at is at unisex barbershops. Right. Reason being is because my clients are there. All right. Now a guy is going to pick up the book. All right, he's going to pick up the magazine. He's going to look at it because it's there. All right. Now, the female probably see my pretty face, all right, and be like, ooh, he's so fine. I'm going to pick it up and read it. All right. Or she might be like, you know what? This is trash. All right. Whoa. Right. I don't know. The point is, inside of the magazine is what's important. All right. Because we want to try and capture clients with the written word. They call it spelling. Right. For my meta magicians, they call it spelling. Right. Where you can sell through the words that you type or through the words that you write. All right, and that's where I'm going to get to, because inside of the magazine, of course, it'll be a short article, depending upon what you decide to advertise with. All right, so whether you got a quarter page, half a page, this page, either way, it's about you. All right, your contact information is on there. Your website information is on there, and if you have any deals, you need to go ahead and talk about it. All right. Inside of there, I got coupons, different things. I got ceramic coating because I'm trying to capture ceramic coating jobs, right? I want ceramic coating jobs, right? 2,000 and up, bruh. 2,000 and up. That's what I'm trying to capture. All right, now the little fish, we're going to get them little $100, $200, $300 detail. We're going to get them all day, bro. All day. From all over the world, Craig. From all over the world, Craig. So where was I at? Unisex barbershops, all right? Like I said, our clients are in there. They are in there, all right? They care about their appearance. They care about how they look. And anyone who cares about how they look usually care about their car and their appearance and how everything looks, all right? Usually. Another place, mom and pop stores. We're not selling the magazine. We only give it away, right? Mom and pop stores. Mom and pop stores is a great place because our clients are coming in and out. Gas stations, right? They're coming in and out of the gas station. You have a free magazine on the front, boom, right there by the counter, right? Put about 4 or 5, now I will put 10 of the mugs up there, all right? So you can capture 10 clients. That's what we want, and then put some in the bathroom, all right? 10 clients automatically, all right? Next place. Them joints will be gone like in one day, bro. In one day. Some places have like the grocery stores, they have like the little magazine spot, right? Now, I don't know if you can put them in there. That's what I don't know. All right, but if you have a little magazine stand, you can create your magazine stand and put it inside of the store. So only thing they have to do, because if your magazine get thrown on over the floor and keep getting thrown on over the floor, they're going to throw them away. So you get a magazine stand, put it in a magazine stand, therefore they don't get thrown away. All right. Nail salons. Yo, Becky at Becky is at the nail salon, bro. I'm telling you, she at the nail salon every Saturday. Sometimes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Depends. Now you need to study which ones to go to. Right? I wouldn't go to all of them. Yeah, I would. I go to all of them. I'll go to all of them. I haven't seen a nail salon. Some of the Koreans be kind of like, you know what I'm saying? But usually they let me just leave my magazine. I ain't asking for nothing. Just leave my magazine. All right? And inside of there are coupons catered to female clients. Catered to female clients. It is designed to capture female clients. If it capture a dude, all well and fine. But it is designed to capture female clients in dealerships. All right, another place, law offices. All right? The reason why people got to sit there and wait around. Now they already there. They got to spend a little bit of bread, and hopefully, prayerfully, with the Lord's help, somebody with some money gonna pick up that magazine. And I'm gonna be honest with you, those lawyers usually, somebody walked through that door got money, usually, or about to get some money. So you want to put it in there, all right? Plus, you want to go ahead and get the lawyer's cards anyway. They ain't got nobody detailing that car, and you got a magazine. Who you think? Man, come on, man. You got a magazine. You in the magazine, bro? Right? You in the magazine. Of course, he gonna hire you. It makes sense. Why wouldn't he? Unless you do trashy work, which I doubt. But his car ain't even dirty. He hate going to the car wash. He hate that. So why not just schedule with you? Dental offices is another great place. Why? Because people have to sit there and wait. Okay? People have to sit there and wait. And they're already investing money in their teeth or whatever they're doing. All right? But our goal is to get the secretary car, get the dentist car, and whoever else working that mug. That's our goal. If someone from the outside get it, cool. Our goal is to get them, because the dentist, he's going to see your magazine. I've never seen a detailing magazine before, right? Not saying it ain't that I'm not saying that there isn't any already out there. I'm just saying how we distribute it's going to be totally different from what they do, right?